Welcome to the world of real estate, where buying a resale property can almost feel like that you are gambling in a casino. The house always seems to be having the upper hand. But what if I told you that there is a way to tip the odds in your favor? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 crucial steps that every resale buyer should know in order to gain the edge over sellers and secure their dream home at even or below valuation. The first step is all about financial calculation, understanding your payment schedule, budgets, and loan. This might seem like finance 101, but trust me, it is the foundation of every successful resale purchase. Now on to the second step, the timeline of taking possession of the unit. Do you need to move in right away, or can you afford to wait? Waiting can be a golden ticket in a resale market, giving you the advantage to better negotiation, especially those that need a longer completion period or even selling with tenancy. But here's the real secret sauce. The third step is knowing the base cut of your sellers. Let's say if you're looking at 2 identical units, 3 bedroom in the same development, same size, same layout, same facing, and almost about the same level. Seller A bought at launch day for 1.2 million and has a break-even of 1.24 million after stamp duty, while seller B bought at sub-sale at 1.4 million and has a break-even of 1.44 million. Who do you think will give the better discount? I can almost tell you in most cases, seller A will always give the better discount over seller B due to their different break-even points. And now, if you are interested in learning more about these 3 steps and how to apply them to your own resale property purchase, do drop me a WhatsApp and fill out my Google form in the description box below. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you back in the next video.